Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with day number 15. So day number 15 are, well, first of all, it's on the back of day number 14, so I don't have to worry about color. And I took this photo because I drive past this farm with these gorgeous trees every day I work at night. And so I wanted to print a 4x6 just because of the, to get the details in. And then I decided I wanted to do a light themed kind of a page. So I took this photo of the inside of my dining room area looking out to my front porch where I actually have a picture of those lights already. But I thought it was kind of cool because you can see my nativity and it just is a little bit more, fun. So this is very blue and I want to get some red and green in here. So I grabbed some washi tape to maybe add that in somewhere. I grabbed these little tree stickers from my Redefine Creative kit. I just thought of something else too. I do have these felt hearts from that same kit. Maybe I could bring those in. And then I have these cards. So I'm just trying to decide what to do. So if I do this card on this day in December, I don't know that I can, well, actually I could get these trees in maybe with some washi tape over here. Here's the special moment. Another on this day in December. I think this is too white, not enough red. I do like that one. So that's kind of cool. I was just trying to think. I think I have cutouts of trees, but I don't think I have any more. Oh, I do have this tree. So I could do this combined with those, although they're not, I don't know, they're not kind of the same kind of thing. I do have a big tree here. These are my die cuts. Some good cheer. Got this little favorite sticker or piece, so I could pop that up and get that kind of above my my piece. So do I like this? Yeah, I think I want to get at least a tree in here somewhere. Do I like the special moment better? Actually, I kind of like the idea of doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my tiny attacher, which we've not seen, and I'm going to attach this tab. And then, of course, I need to glue them back to back, if I could only think. Okay. And then this one back to back here. Now, the other thing I've been thinking about is I have fairly flat pages this year. This one needs to be trimmed. I'm not seeing a lot of little extra pieces so far, like bags, envelopes. I don't remember if I talked about this yesterday, but I've started to think about this. So one of the things I wanted to do today, if I could, was to get in, okay, that looks good. Obviously, you're gonna see the back of this, but I'm not so worried about that. One of the things I wanted to do is get some extra dimension in, and my plan to do that is to bring in this bag. This came from the Redefine Creative kit last year. Now, obviously, that is, it's going to have a back to it. And I don't know if that's going to bother me or not. I'm going to probably wait a little bit on that. I do have this little gnome guy, and he doesn't have anything to do with anything other than he's cute. So I could take a piece of pattern paper, mount it to the back of this, and then mount the gnome to that after I, do some fill in with him. That's out there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Now, the other thing I thought about is numbers. I haven't used these striped numbers yet, so that should go on here somewhere. It could go over here, it could go here. And then in my effort to use up some of my snowflakes, I love these snowflakes, and that would get me a little bit of sparkle in here. So I'm thinking that could go there. Now I also could bring in one of my hearts here. This one's too big, so I think we're not going to do that. And I could bring in trees here. So let me grab this photo out. I just realized I hadn't done that. I did bring this tree in, which is also from my kit this year. It's wood, but I don't think that's going to work with this particular layout, so I'm going to put that away. So sparkles, snowflakes. I could bring some green over here. There is a red card there, so I'm thinking no to anything more that's red. I'm just going to take this piece right here and put that in there. Oh, I always forget when I do this, I have to do it under the card if I have it backed already. And then I'm just going to seal this here so that it doesn't open up more. Okay, so the question is, do I want to do my 15 here with maybe a tree? And then I could add a tree in each of those 3 places, which I kind of like that idea now that I'm thinking about it. So let's see. And then I get sparkle in a couple of different places. So I don't have a 5, but I did look, I have an I, which is just, you know, a 1, basically. So this is a really old alphabet called ELF that I don't know if it's 2011 it was made. I don't know that I've had it since then, but I know this is older. My original plan was maybe to put this on here, but I kind of like the idea of that. So let me pop this on here. Okay, I think the green tree is going to have to go over here. So let's see if we just put, oh, I just had a thought too. Maybe I could add some sort of phrase sticker, like this was a magical site. Okay. So that one was too long for here. So wonderful, happiness and cheer would be cute. This merry moment. Pure magic would be good. Let's see what this will look like if I kind of do it like this. I want them to kind of sit there so I can get a little measurement. There we go. Oh yeah, see, this is why I wanted to do that. Let's see, do it like this maybe. And then pure magic here. So I like that. Then let's get this guy stuck down. Just gonna glue him down in the middle right now. And then this felt, I'm not quite sure how to get this glued down actually. We'll see, this might not work. I might have to come back and re-stick this at some point. Yeah, we'll see. And then just this little sticker. Oops, and I just saw I have an edge of the snowflake coming out there. Here's what we do. Just gonna cut that, then I don't have to deal with it. So then this little tree, I think I can just pop in there so that we have 3 trees on this layout. Maybe just a little bit of height here on the outside. Okay, yeah, I actually like the way that looks. I like the little, adding the little bits of red and green in. And now I don't have anything on that piece, and I don't have any more tree stickers. So the question is, do I want to just put a sticker down without anything on it? And I'm going to do it because it's too late now. I would take this off if I hadn't done what I did. I don't think I can get this off. I think the sticker will rip, but I'm going to try. I think yeah, this will rip if I do that. So I'm going to leave that as is. And then what I think I'm going to do is I have some Ready Enamel Hearts. And I'm thinking one of those here, just to get a heart in. Okay, I also have green, but it's the wrong green. Just so that I've got another, oh, here. Okay, that feels like too much. So honestly, does that. Maybe in my effort to get some sparkle and shine in here, maybe some of these little pearls. Yeah, actually, I think that's doing a nice job of kind of bringing everything together without too much. And this one I'm going to make fairly big because that's a pretty big piece over there. The little one would just disappear. Okay, so I think I have it. I'm actually really pleased with the way this turned out. There is a lot going on. I will give you that. A lot of color in here, but I still think it's doing what I want to. And then, like I said, this is just purely right now for looks. And I might decide at some point to do something else with it. I can also decide to put something in here at some point as well too, as a little bit of extra something, but I'm not quite sure what that would be right now, and I don't have a plan for that. So I think I'll leave it just as it is right now. This is not my favorite piece too. I think it would have looked a little bit better in solid red, but I'm not going to take it off because it's on the photograph. I mean, I could reprint the photograph, but I'm not going to bother to do that. So, all right, guys. So I think that's done for the day. We'll see if anything else happens with this piece, whether I do decide to go back and do something with that or not. I'll just kind of play around with that and figure it out. Not quite sure what's happening tomorrow yet, so that might make a difference too. So, all right, guys. I will see you tomorrow for day 16. Bye, everybody.